Oh my god, you guys, unboxed carton with me.
Unboxed carton game. Dare you to play a serious game.
Okay, before I can do this, I need to do my daily routine. I forgot to do my daily routine, so let me quickly do my daily routine. I'm coming.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, this is a Rubik Cube. Oh, did I get it right? I don't know. Okay, let me solve this Rubik Cube. I'm gonna solve yellow. I'm gonna solve yellow. Oh my god, it's spoiled. Why? Why? Oh my god. Unboxed carton, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Bye.